Hello everyone, my name is Gani Mahendra. My name 123490022. The use of proximity sensor in pneumatic system. Practical pneumatic. The next slide is the objective of the practicum. The first, understand the working principle of inductive and capacitive proximity sensor in pneumatic system. Second, apply proximity sensor to control actuator, valve, piston, stroke, APLC. Third, train students to read, analyze, and design ladder diagram according to system requirement. The next slide. General question. Fundamental difference between inductive and capacitive proximity sensor lies in the type of material they can detect and their sensing principle. Inductive proximity sensors work based on electromagnetic induction and are designed to detect metallic objects only. When a metal object enters the sensor electromagnetic field, it changes the field characteristic and the sensor generates an output signal. These sensors are highly reliable in detecting metals, resistant to the dust and moisture, and commonly used in industrial environments. Capacitive proximity sensor, on the other hand, operates based on change in capacitance. They can detect both metallic and non-metallic material, such as plastic, glass, wood, or liquid. When an object with a different dielectric constant approach the sensor active surface, the capacitance changes triggering an output signal. However, capacitive sensors are more sensitive to environmental factors like humidity and dirt compared to inductive sensor. Proximity sensor. Proximity sensor is a sensor that can detect the presence of an object without physical contact. This sensor is widely used in industrial automation to detect position, products, or function as a non-contact limit switch. The next slide. Type of use proximity sensor. The first, inductive proximity sensor, used to detect metallic object. Working principle, it generates an electromagnetic field when a metal object enters the field. The inductance changes and sensor output a signal. Example application. Detecting the position of a metal piston in a pneumatic cylinder. Second, capacitive proximity sensor, used to detect both metallic and non-metallic objects such as wood, plastic, liquid. Working principle. The sensor creates an capacitive field. When an object with a difference dielectric constant enters the field, the capacitance changes and the sensor output a signal. Example application. Detecting material level for example powder or liquid inside a container. Next slide. And this is the leader PLC circuit that have been made at the X programmer application. Next, we go to demonstration T-leader PLC circuit. Okay. Next, we'll make T-leader PLC circuit using the picture at the PowerPoint slide. Hmm, PowerPoint slide. Hmm, and here. Okay. The first file, new. Katicum. Okay, device type CP1L. Okay. Hmm, hmm, first is name contact. Here, hmm, new C 0.00 there B on next and close 0.01. Okay, repeat off. And new contact and W 0.00. Okay, system. Okay, and vertical. Okay, horizontal and here and here and here. New coil W 0.00. Okay, system okay. Next, new contact here. W 0.00. Okay, system okay. Next, 0.02. Okay, proximity. Hmm, yeah, proximity. Okay. Hmm, eh, yeah, proximity. And horizontal. Okay. And new coil in here. W 0.01. Okay. Out, out, proximity. Okay. Next here new contact. New contact is okay. 0.03. Okay. Timer W 0.0. Eh, W 0.0. Okay. And horizontal here, and here, and here. A coil. Mm, eh, mm, yeah, contact contact W 0.01. Okay, proximity okay. Okay, 0.0.0. Okay, timer. Okay, horizontal the and your coil here. W 0.02 and timer and vertical and here and here and here and here and contact in here. W 0.02. Okay, timer okay. Horizontal okay. New PLC thing to do the score 50. Okay, timer okay. And next, new contact in here. W 0.04 this one. This way. Okay. Next in new contact W 0.0. Okay, system okay. New contact W 0.01. Proximity okay. And next horizontal and here and here and new PLC goes in here. New PLC here. Section CNT 000 score 1. Okay, CNT. Okay. And next vertical and here new contact in here C 0.000. Okay, center okay. Contact T 0.0.1. Okay. timer, CNT, and horizontal down here. Next, and here, and here, here, and new contact, and here. See 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, okay. And next, horizontal, next, and new PLC section team 0, 0, 0, 1 score score stack 50. Okay, mesin okay. Next, vertical, and here, and here, and here. Just horizontal, and here, and here. New coil W 0.03. Okay. CNT. Okay. Next, new contact here. W 0.00. Okay, system okay. And next, W 0.02. Okay, timer okay. Next, new close in here. W 0.03. Okay. Next, horizontal, and here, and here, and here. And next, new coil, and here. 100.07. Out far. Okay. Next, vertical, and here, and here. Contact in here. W 0.03. Okay, send okay. Close W 0.02. Okay. W 0.02. Okay. And next, last, okay. Mm, and next, run and work on online simulator. The first, turn on the system and click PB on. Click one, okay. After the system was on, click the proximity sensor. Okay, sensor one. Then turn on the timer for the system delay. Mm, After that, turn on TCNT for the system. Mm, Finally, the program was running. Mm, Then, after all, turn off the system and click PB off. Mm, Okay, I think just that it. Thank you. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.